Hi there, John here from Romania and welcome to my channel. Here it's part 2 of my affiliate marketing course. Today I am going to show you some theoretical information. Even if you don't like this part so much, watch it, because it will help you a lot. 1. Affiliate Marketing for Beginner is a very well-known course made by John from Romania, and you will be able to grab the course if you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. But is it really going to teach you all that you need to know on making money online with affiliate marketing? I would say no, but this course will give you a rough outline on what affiliate marketing is and how you go about it, to a certain extent, but this course is not going to give you all the answers you need. How affiliate marketing works. Okay, let's back up for a minute here and let me explain to you how affiliate marketing works. This concept of making money works through you promoting another person's, company's, product. Every item you successfully sell, you get paid a commission. Now the percentage of the commission will differ from company to company. Most companies offer an affiliate services for you to promote their products, and for anyone who says affiliate marketing is a scam, then just tell them to look on any major company's website and look for a link that says affiliates. Then tell them to grow up, because affiliate marketing is everywhere. 2. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost way for merchants to build awareness and showcase their products and services. The model is simple. It works as a commission-based referral system. A partner or affiliate markets a merchant's products for a piece of the pie. What you need to do. 1. Find a unique niche. The mistake that many affiliate marketing hopefuls have in common is that they try to offer everything under the sun rather than focusing on a specific niche market. Do not scatter your efforts, focus on your niche, promote it, and sell it well. 2. Search engine marketing. Once you've built your affiliate storehouse, you will need to promote it. Many affiliates use pay-per-click engines. I suggest that you learn how to achieve organic search results or hire a search engine marketing company. This will save you from spending all your profits on pay-per-click engines. Only use pay-per-click engines if you know what you are doing, otherwise all your profits may end in the hands of Google AdWords or Overture. 3. Know your product, know your audience. Create a resource. By taking the time to learn about the products and or services that you are offering, you can create information that builds your credibility. That credibility builds trust. If your viewers do not have trust in you, more than likely they will not purchase from your storehouse. If you want more information on the psychological process that an online buyer goes through, I suggest that you subscribe to my channel and learn every day more and more. This will help you in creating a website that converts well, which in return will increase your cash flow. 4. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Promote products from different merchants. This way, if you have a problem with receiving payment from a merchant, or their products do not convert well, the effects on your business will be minimal. Watch out for exclusivity agreements. Remember, this is your business. Protect yourself and diversify so that you do not feel the famine effect if something goes wrong. There is absolutely nothing wrong with promoting niche products from different merchants. 5. Seek knowledge and embrace change. If you are familiar with internet marketing at all, you know that what worked 3 months ago may not work today. Stay on top of the trends. Seek knowledge. Start by learning something new about affiliate marketing daily. For example, remember those marketing tools called Banner that used to drive sales at an astronomical rate a few years ago? Well, those banners developed a term called banner blindness. That means most online viewers will not click on banners even if they do pertain to what they are looking for. To be a super affiliate, you must always spend time reading, learning, and embracing the changes in internet marketing. Thanks for watching this part of the video, and subscribe to my channel to see when the course is complete so you can make money online. Follow me on Instagram. Work smart, not hard.